Welcome back to Cooking with Janet. Today I'm going to show you another recipe that I grew up with. It's called oven fried chicken. Now we've all heard of shake and bake or, there's different versions of it. This version actually came off of a box a long time ago. They removed it off of the Bisquick box. I still have the recipe because I like to find old cookbooks. So pretty much, but if you don't have Bisquick or a pancake mix, you can always prepare a pancake mix in order to create this recipe. And it's very simple. Either a half a cup of your preferred pancake mix, or we can use a half a cup of flour, a tablespoon of baking soda, and about a pinch of salt. So that is what we need in order to cover our chicken to make the oven fried chicken. Once we mix our pancake mix together, we will also require a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of paprika, and a quarter teaspoon of pepper. You will also need to have a big bowl to mix this all in together. You'll need about 2 or 3 pounds of chicken. I typically do chicken wings and chicken legs because they're easier to cook and they're not huge pieces. And I use about 2 or 3 tablespoons of butter on a pan. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to put the butter on the pan right now and place it in our oven. Our oven is currently at 425 degrees. While this is heating up, I will mix everything together. That way we can pull the pan out and the butter will be melted to place our chicken on. So while that is melting, we'll go ahead and mix everything together. So we'll put in our flour, our baking soda, and just a little bit of salt. Now, in order to make the actual mix itself, to give it some flavor, we want to do a teaspoon of paprika, about a teaspoon of salt, and about a quarter teaspoon of pepper. Once we have that all together in our bowl, we go ahead and we mix it up. I normally use either a fork or one of these gadgets to stir up, to mix up what will go onto our chicken wings. Now, a lot of times when you've seen chicken made in the oven or fried, they typically want you to dip it in egg too. I don't do that. That was never in the Bisquick recipe that I have gone by for years. So I just literally take my chicken and put it in this, and I try to bread it as much as I can and put it onto the pan. So what I will do next is our next video, I will show you what the chicken looks like after we have dipped it. I'll cover one piece of chicken so you can see what I'm doing. So thank you very much for watching and wait for my next video.